Oh, you fucking...
What the shit?
That was a fucking red light they just went through.
He doesn't think a fight before the grand final will become a regular occurrence. Melbourne and the Western Bulldogs will play this year's season decider at Perth Stadium on Saturday. Both sides...
Shoots. Climbing back up, Corn stood the fighter on its right S-foil and arced around the corner in the trench. Coming up to where the sensors read the valley beyond the steep rise, streaked over the ridgeline and immediately started taking
Oh, fucking hell, mate. Another one. Okay.
Intending to...
You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck
Ever heard of Evel Knievel? It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, no!
Mi az anyádat csinálsz? Mi a fasz? Wow! De ügyes voltál! Congratulations, mate! Was worth it? Wow!
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Dude, do you know what I think the craziest one
Manual
was?
recording will now start.
I saw that you're...
Jesus Christ!
Before buying, read the PDFs. Go to our website for a PDF and TMD.
Wow.
Patient prick. Oh, they're all red.
Wow.
That wasn't Nicky, was it?
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Lock file. Lock file. Lock file. You might want to fucking watch it, buddy. You almost fucking took me out.
Again.
Fucking rain. What is it with fuckwits?